Now, my dear student, we are going to start the exercise 8D. This exercise is dealing with the discount. About the discount, I had given you the three formula. First is discount is equal to mark price minus selling. Second formula is discount percent is equal to discount upon mark price into 100. And the third formula is SP is equal to 100 minus discount percent of mark price. So these formulas mainly will be used in this exercise. So please understand first question. First question is mark price is 1300, selling price is 1144. Mark price is 1300, selling price is 1144. So what is the discount? Mark price minus selling price. Mark price value is 1300, selling price value is 1144. When we subtract it, the answer 156. This is the symbol of rupee. सिंबल ऑफ रूपी क्या होता है बेटा? आप 2 लिखते हैं और 2 को आप बीच में से कट करते हैं. ऑलमोस्ट. ओके, एक्चुअल तो नहीं बट ऑलमोस्ट. ओके, नो. तो दिस इज द 156. नाउ दे आर आस्किंग द डिस्काउंट परसेंट. डिस्काउंट परसेंट मीन डिस्काउंट अपॉन मार्क प्राइस इनटू 100. डिस्काउंट यू कैलकुलेटेड 156. मार्क प्राइस दे हैड गिवन 1300 into 100. Double zero cancel double zero. What is that? 13. 13 1 ja 13. 13 2 ja 26. So 12% is the discount. Again listen. In the question they had given 13 is the mark price. 1144 is the selling price. So naturally what is the difference? That is the discount. MP minus SP 156. Now they are asking what is the discount percent? So discount percent is discount upon mark price into 100. 156 upon 1300 into 100. After cutting you will get 12%. Now please come to the question number 2. They are saying there is a watch whose mark price is 1400 and the customer is getting 9% discount. Customer is getting 9% discount. So now this is the mark price, this is the discount percent. So you know the formula selling price. Selling price is equal to 100 minus discount percent of mark price. So naturally 100 minus 9, 91% of mark price is 1400. After cutting it is 1274. It is 1274. Now you know that discount is mark price minus selling price. Mark price they had given, selling price you had calculated, you subtract, difference is 126. Again please listen. Mark price and discount percent are given. So I prefer the formula of selling price 100 minus discount percent of mark price. 100 minus discount यानी कि 91% of 1400. कटिंग किया तो आ गया 1274. अगर 1400 का आइटम 1274 में मिल रहा है तो हाउ मच इज डिस्काउंट? एमपी माइनस एसपी. 1400 माइनस 1274 दैट इज 126. तो 126 रुपीस का उसको सेविंग हो रही है. राइट, दैट इज द आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. लेट अस स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. नाउ माय डियर स्टूडेंट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 दे आर सेइंग दैट a shopkeeper purchased an item for 450. He marked it 20% above it. मीन जितने का वो लाया वो तो उसने लेने ही है, साथ में का मैं 20% और लूंगा. यानी कि व्हाट इज द मार्क प्राइस? कॉस्ट प्राइस प्लस 20% मोर. दैट इज 450 प्लस 20% ऑफ दिस 450. तो यानी कि ही इज चार्जिंग 450 आफ्टर कटिंग 90 दैट इज 540. ओके, तो दिस इज द मार्क प्राइस. आंसर ऑफ योर फर्स्ट पार्ट. Now when he starts selling, naturally he gives some little bit discount to the customer. He gives 10% discount to the customer. So selling price is 100 minus discount percent of mark price. 100 minus 10 यानी कि 90% of mark price. When he calculates, so normally he keeps the rate of 486. Now if he is keeping 486 rupees, now after that by chance what happened? One more customer arrived and he sold the item for 496 rupees 80 paisa. He sold the item for 496 rupees 80 paisa. Now he is having a query in the mind. Yeah, he want to know how much discount this time he had given to the customer. So now naturally mark price is the same because item is the same. Selling price this time is 496.50. So discount is MP minus SP 540 minus 496.80 43 rupees 20 paisa. Now discount percentage, discount upon mark price into 100. Discount upon mark price into 100 after cutting 8% discount. discount this time he had given. Please listen one time again. A shopkeeper purchased an item for ₹450. Before selling, he marked it 20% above. यानी कि 450 तो उसने दिए ही, साथ में 20% ऑफ 450 और ज्यादा मांग दिए, तो यानी कि 90 और ज्यादा मांग दिया, 450 प्लस 90 540 रुपीज। जब कस्टमर आया तो नेचुरली कस्टमर ने कहा कि थोड़ी बहुत डिस्काउंट मुझे मिलनी चाहिए, तो ही गिव 10% डिस्काउंट। तो सेलिंग प्राइस है 100 माइनस डिस्काउंट परसेंट ऑफ मार्क प्राइस, तो पैसे उसने कस्टमर से कितने लेने शुरू कर दिए, 486। दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ सेकंड पार्ट। अब उन्होंने आगे पूछा है कि अचानक क्या हुआ, एक कस्टमर आया और उसको उसने 496 रुपीज 80 पैसा का बेच दिया, बाय मिस्टेक या बाय चांस या इंटेंशन। अब वो ये जानना चाहता है कि इस कस्टमर को मैंने कितने डिस्काउंट दिए। तो नेचुरली डिस्काउंट है एमपी माइनस एसपी, 540 माइनस 496 रुपीज 80 पैसा, दैट इज 43 रुपीज 20 पैसा। तो व्हाट इज द डिस्काउंट परसेंट, डिस्काउंट अपॉन मार्क प्राइस इन 200 आफ्टर कटिंग आपका आंसर आएगा 8%। तो इसका मतलब उसने उस कस्टमर को 8% की डिस्काउंट दी है, दैट इज द क्वेश्चन। ओके, नाउ लेट अस प्रोसीड टुवर्ड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। नाउ माय डियर स्टूडेंट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, पेज नंबर 95, दे आर आस्किंग दैट कि देयर मार्क प्राइस ऑफ एन आइटम इज 2250। That item means the shopkeeper is offering the item, giving that discount to the customer 12%, and in this process he is getting a profit of 10%. A shopkeeper is having an item whose mark price or list price is 2250. He gives the discount of 12% to the customer, and even then he is getting a 10% profit. So question is that how much price customer pay, यानी कि what is the selling price, how much price shopkeeper pay, that is the cost price. Now बेटा listen, mark price and discount percent का फॉर्मूला आपको पता है क्या होता है, SP is equal to 100 minus discount percent of mark price, तो that is 100 minus 12, 88% of mark price। कटिंग आप जैसे मर्जी कर लीजिएगा, आंसर आएगा 1980, 1980। Now this is the selling price, this is the profit, and I want cost price also. So there is one another formula, SP is equal to 100 plus profit percent of cost price, तो SP 1980, 100 plus profit यानी कि 100 plus 10, 110% of cost price, I don't know, when we solve cost price is 1800, so it means the shopkeeper purchased an item for 1800, he marked it 2250 and sold it to customer at 1980 rupees. Understand? फिर सुन लीजिए, mark price, discount percent, profit percent are given, selling price and cost price are asked. Now we know the formula of MP and discount percent is SP is equal to 100 minus discount percent of mark price. Discount है 12%, तो 100 minus 12, 88% of mark price कितना है 2250, सॉल्व किया तो आंसर आ गया 1980, राइट। अब ये है आपका सेलिंग प्राइस और आपको प्रॉफिट हो रहा है 10%, तो नेचुरली SP is equal to 100 plus profit percent of CP, 110% of CP, तो CP is equal to 1800. Okay, so this is the answer of the question number 7. Let us start question number 9. Now my dear student, question number 11. They are saying that कि a shopkeeper mark his good 30% above the cost price and later give 10% discount to the customer. What is the profit percent? He had not given any hint about the mark price, cost price, selling price. Nothing is mentioned, only hints are given कि they are mutually related. कॉस्ट प्राइस में 30% ज्यादा कर देंगे तो मार्क प्राइस आ जाएगा, मार्क प्राइस में अगर 10% डिस्काउंट कर देंगे तो सेलिंग प्राइस आ जाएगा। एक्सेप्ट दिस नो एनी फिगर इज गिवन, तो मैंने कहा लेट अस अज्यूम कॉस्ट प्राइस इज 100x। If cost price is 100x, तो मार्क प्राइस will be cost price plus 30%, that is 100x plus 30x, 130x. Now better discount is 10%. This is your mark price, this is your discount percent. Formula is SP is equal to 100 minus discount percent of mark price, that is 90% of 130x, 0000 cancel, 117x. Now beta listen, profit is equal to SP minus CP, 117x minus 100x, that is 17x, and you know the formula of profit percent. profit percent equal to profit upon CP into 100, 17x upon 100x into 100, कटिंग करेंगे 17%। वैसे तो एक अंडरस्टूड बात भी है, अगर आप 100x की चीज लेते हैं और 117x की आप बेच रहे हैं तो यू आर गेटिंग द 17% प्रॉफिट। अंडरस्टैंड? वैसे तो ये अंडरस्टूड है, बट फिर भी मैथमेटिक्स में हमको करके दिखाना पड़ता है, तो ड्यू टू दैट आई हैव। अगेन सुन लीजिए, कॉस्ट प्राइस इज नॉट गिवन, आई एज्यूम 100x, मार्क प्राइस इज 30% अबव यानी कि 100x प्लस 30x 130x, ही गिव 10% डिस्काउंट, तो FP is equal to 100 minus discount percent of mark price, that is 170x. Now 100x is the cost price, 117x is the selling price, so he is getting a profit of 17x, and this 17x with the help of the formula when we calculate, our answer is 17% profit. So in this whole transaction shopkeeper is getting 17% profit. Okay, चलिए let us start question number. Now my dear student, we are solving the question number 11. In the question number 11 they are saying that कि when we give a discount of 12%, we sold a pen for ₹13.20. So naturally this is our selling price, this is our discount percent. We know the formula FP is equal to 100 minus discount percent of mark price. So sell SP is given 100 minus 12, that is 58% of mark price. On calculation mark price is ₹50. Now they are saying that कि अगर मैं सेम पेन आई एम गिविंग इन द 5% डिस्काउंट, तो यानी कि 100 माइनस 5 95% ऑफ मार्क प्राइस, ऑलरेडी यू कैलकुलेटेड 15, तो व्हाट विल बी द कॉस्ट? ₹14.25। आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड। अगेन लिसन टू मी। फर्स्टली ही से दैट कि आई सोल्ड अ पेन एट 12% डिस्काउंट, देन आई चार्ज ₹13.20। वी से ओके, this is your discount percent, this is your selling price, so let me apply the formula SP is equal to 100 minus discount percent of mark price, so that is mark price is ₹50. Now he asks if I will give only 5% discount, not 12%, only 5% discount, because no problem, SP is equal to 100 minus discount percent of mark price, which I already calculated 15, तो आंसर आ गया ₹14.25, so that is your answer। ठीक है, एनी डाउट? Okay beta, please solve up to this point. Tomorrow we will go further. Till then, thank you, have a nice day. Please practice as much as possible.